Namaste to all. We are from KCS Kazinadar College of Arts and Science. Name A. Rajeshri R. Rajeshwari. Department of BCom CS. Batch 2022-2023. Topic Branch Account. Branch accounting. Branch accounting is a bookkeeping system in which separate accounts are maintained for each branch or operating locations of an organization. However, branch accounting usually refers to branches keeping their own books and later sending them into the head office to be combined with those of the units. In order to increase the volume of a profit, it is the primary aim of all business enterprises to increase their volume of sales. For this purpose, mainly firms open their shops in different parts of a locality country. According to Section 2 of the Company Act 1958, a branch is defined as A. Any establishment described as a branch by the company or any establishment carried on there the same or substantially the same activities as that carried on by the head office of the company, or C. Any establishment engaged in any productions, processing or manufacturer but does not include any establishment specified in any order made by the central government. Types of branch accounting. Branches. Inland branch, foreign branch. In inland branch, dependent branch, independent branch. In dependent branch, not maintaining double entry system. Maintaining double entry system. Not maintaining double entry system, in that goods invoiced to branch at cost. Goods invoiced to branch at invoice price. In branch accounting, there are two types, that is dependent branch and independent branch. Dependent branch, debtors method. Goods are sent to branch at cost price method. So these are the formats of branch account at cost format. Goods are sent to branch at invoice price method. When goods sent to branch is recorded at invoice price, following additional entries are to be made. So these are the formats of branch account at invoice format. Dependent branch stock and debtors system. Invoice price. So these are the formats of branch stock account. Now, branch debtors account. We may also find any information relating branch debtors, credit sales, cash received from debtors if missing from branch debtors account. So these are the formats of branch debtors account. Now, branch expenses account. So these are the formats of branch expenses account. Branch profit and loss account. So these are the formats of branch profit and loss account. Last but not least, stock reserve account. This account is prepared for recording loading on opening and closing HP stock. So these are the format of stock reserve account. So thank you.